Hi, how are ya? So today we will be making our very own Hobicore Jeans. J-Hope inspired jeans. So let's get started, shall we? So my inspiration came from Twitter and it's Earth Day, so it's such a perfect video because we're going to be upcycling some old clothes because the jeans I used were old, so happy Earth Day! Anyways though, we're gonna get started right away. What I used to make my jeans was, well, of course, jeans, duh. Some cardboard paper or anything to put below the jeans so the paint doesn't stick. And look, I'm gonna be honest with you all, I am not an artist. I don't know how to explain it. I'm not really good at drawing, so I had to trace it. What I did is I got some paper and I looked up the image and I traced it over my computer screen, and then I cut it out and used that cutout for my jeans. I don't know if I explained myself well enough, but yeah, that's what I did to get a good image and to be able to color it in. If you are going to ever paint your jeans, I recommend that you first start off with a white coat. That way the paint can stand out more, pop out more. This took me about 5 days to make. Probably because I would put it off a lot, and like when I would actually do it, I'd probably spend like, I don't know, 20 minutes on it every day. But yeah, it took me 5 days, but it was so worth it. The process was really fun. I had certain colors, and to get different shades, I felt like a whole Picasso or Vincent van Gogh because I was mixing colors, and I don't know, I felt like a true artist. And finally, to seal the paint, I ironed it over a baking sheet. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention that I used acrylic paint for this. Acrylic tends to stay on clothes, especially if you iron it, because I read online that it melts or something and becomes plastic. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And finally, after many days of endless creativity, we made ourselves a pair of Hobicore jeans. I absolutely love them. They look amazing. More than anything, I just love everything colorful. Literally, I have two sides. I can be Hobicore or Cookiecore. Cookiecore? What is it again? And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And once again, happy Earth Day. I hope you're all staying safe and healthy as always. And make sure to like and subscribe for more videos coming soon to Kid Slay. Also follow me on my social media on Instagram at Kid Slay. Thanks once again, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.